Hello everyone, I'm Katie Kim. Today I'm making kimbap. Just make sure it's called kimbap, not sushi. Let's make rice first. If you properly season the rice that you just cooked, that kimbap should be tasty. That means the rice is very important when you are making kimbap. This is the 3 cups of white rice. So, I heard that some people don't wash the rice before cooking. Oh no, please wash. Please wash the rice with cold water until the water runs clear. Add water to the 3rd line. And water to the 3rd line. So now let's prepare the ingredients of kimbap. Slice the cucumber. I'm using Korean cucumber, but you can use any kind of cucumber. Sprinkle some salt. And set aside for 15 minutes. Wash the spinach up with cold water. Korean spinach gives a crunchy texture after cooking, so it is the best choice for kimbap. However, you can use this kind of spinach if you can't find Korean spinach. And drain well. Once the water boils like this, add the spinach into the pot. Boil it for about a total of 20 seconds. You just put it in, soak in, just take it out quickly. Squeeze it tightly to remove water. Add a little bit of salt. And add sesame oil. We need a various color to make the kimbap pretty. The spinach gives a beautiful green color that makes kimbap look tasty. Spinach also gives a crunchy texture. Next, let's prepare the 단무지. You may find 2 kinds of pickled radish at the supermarket. There is 단무지 that is pre-sliced vertically for kimbap. Also, there is a whole 단무지 that you need to cut into long strips yourself. Both are fine, but the pre-cut version of kimbap 단무지 has a crispy texture like an apple, and the whole 단무지 has both the chewy and crunchy texture. If you bought a whole 단무지, it's difficult to use it all. I will show you how to keep them for 1 month in the fridge. Prepare a dry cutting board and knife. There shouldn't be any moisture, that's the tip. Cut the 단무지 into long strips. You can store the remaining pickled radish in a glass container. There is no need to put the pickled radish juice in this package. If you keep in the refrigerator, you can use them for up to 1 month. I will prepare the bird dog. It's ready to fresh use out the package. And squeeze the slightly pickled cucumber. And set aside. Cut the ham into long strips. If you can't find the kimbap pan in the 단무지 corner, go to the freezer section. Sometimes they sell kimbap ham frozen at the supermarket. I'm going to slice the carrot. Let's julienne the carrots. I will use 6 eggs for making 2 egg rolls and add some salt and beat the eggs. Add oil to the pan. Add half of beaten eggs. Fold it before the top of the beaten eggs is fully cooked so it sticks together. Flip it over. So I made 2 egg rolls, cutting into long strips. Stir-fry the carrots until softened. Stir-fried carrots have a sweet taste, which makes gimbap really delicious. I will sharpen the knife so that all the gimbap are sliced well later. Here is the hot rice that I just cooked. And I add some salt. And I add enough sesame oil into the bowl. Don't forget to season the rice. Season the rice makes kimbap really tasty. This is a kimbap gim. Kimbap gim is not seasoned. Place the kimbap gim. The rough part should be on top. You should spread the rice quickly. Don't add too much. If you compress the rice too hard, or add too much rice, it won't taste good. Spread the rice, leaving a small margin. I will put a few grains of cooked rice here to stick the ends of the gim together. Lift the edge of the gim with your thumbs, tucking the filling with your other 8 fingers, and roll them in tightly. Doesn't it stick well? I will cut the gimbap. There is some controversy about spelling kimbap in English. Kim, like K-I-M, and Gim, G-I-M, are different ways of spelling the same Korean word. It's easy on the stomach. The rainbow ingredients are also highly nutritious. Please give it a try. You will like this combination of kimbap. Please subscribe and see you soon.